Fade to Black is brand new blueprint system that created by Vidya's Joey Soto to creating $20 million videos and online sales with secrets, methods, tactics and hacks that have helped create the exact video content presented from Vidya's. In 2013, as a complete newbie, Joey Soto launched his first ever course on video production and completely raised the bar for marketing videos. Marketers and customers alike were astounded by the quality of Joey's content, but more importantly, they were blown away by the training that Joey offered. Over those early years, Joey's insight and talent for video quickly positioned him as the leading authority on video in the IM space. With thousands of raving fans, hundreds of reviews and social proof, his content became a staple reference for many marketers wanting to create profitable, cutting-edge video content. Fade to Black is not a software tool or an app, but a course of over 80 videos that teaches the complete cycle of video creation. Video scripts. What good is a video if the script doesn't pull in the viewers and convert them into buyers? Fade to Black will teach you the proven, repeatable method of creating highly persuasive video scripts. These are the secrets Joey has used to generate six figures in affiliate promotions, as well as multi-millions in sales of the Vidya's platform. Understanding video production. Fade to Black is a course that teaches the fundamentals of creating content that excites, persuades and engages viewers. To do that, you need the in-depth knowledge required to creating professional-level video content. Joey breaks this down in a remarkable, simple-to-master format, no prior experience needed. Once learned, you will be able to apply this knowledge to any video you ever create, ensuring the best, most profitable result for every frame of video you shoot. Video angles, settings, and concepts. Fade to Black teaches the real-world use cases of your video equipment. Have you used a camera and never really known what every feature does? Wondering how to get the most of the gear you've invested in? Look no further. You will leave the course feeling completely competent, being able to grab any camera and shoot high-quality content. Not because you're using a great camera, but because you know how to make the most of any camera. Lights, camera and audio. Fade to Black covers the entire workflow to creating exceptional video content on camera. From choosing locations, framing shots, getting professional audio, lighting, storyboarding and so much more. Joey covers literally everything you will ever need. This truly is an easy Bible of video creation. The best part? The course is accessible at any time from anywhere, even on a shoot. So if you're ever lost and need some input, just jump back to the members area and get what you need. Don't show your face or talk on camera. Not everyone wants to be on camera, and that's fine. Joey has created an extensive section of the course specifically for those who want to create video content without ever having to get on camera. In fact, Joey even explains how to create videos without even recording your voice. Just because you're not on camera doesn't mean anything. These videos will still pack just as much punch. Everything is revealed in Fade to Black. Learn to edit videos. Learning to become a good editor takes time, until now. In what is probably the most powerful, valuable part of this course, Joey reveals the exact steps and secrets to not only editing quickly and effectively, but in a way that makes your video content incredibly engaging and interesting. Psychology of music. One of the most undervalued and unrecognized proponents of a highly successful video is music. Joey often spends hours just choosing the right audio track for his videos, and for one very good reason. Music is everything. It drives your video, it makes your viewers feel emotion, and will subconsciously affect them in ways you'd never imagine. Why by Fade to Black? Fade to Black raises the bar for what an info product should be, and that means you are about to be blown away by the value they're going to get from this class. Fade to Black is a brand new course. The content of this system cannot be found anywhere else, and nobody else has the insight that Joey shares in this course. This is truly a one-of-a-kind course that you will love. Fade to Black pricing and upsells. Fade to Black is very reasonably priced at just $47. There will be 2 upsells. Fade to Black Lightspeed for $197 and Vidya's Black Edition for $47, which I highly recommend.